So Surfshark is arguably the best budget VPN out there, but why is that? Well, in today's video, I'll talk about Surfshark, what it offers, if it works for streaming and torrenting, if it's actually secure, and everything you need to know to really understand whether or not Surfshark is a good choice for you and your situation. Now, before getting into it, it's worth noting that at this point, Surfshark has a collection of security tools in the same application, including an antivirus, a safe search feature, as well as an alert system. But in this video, I'll mainly be focusing on the VPN itself. And if at any time you'd like to check Surfshark out, I'll be sure to include exclusive discount codes in the description down below, so feel free to take advantage of them. Alright, so in case you're not familiar with what a VPN does, besides its many uses, essentially, a VPN is a tool that protects your online activities so that nobody's able to see what you're doing online, except for the company that's operating the servers you're connecting to. So ultimately, it comes down to the VPN provider's privacy policy, which basically determines how much information is being collected about you while using the VPN. And in Surfshark's case, no data that can identify a specific user is ever collected or shared, and it's all backed up by many frequent independent audit reports, which basically prove that their claims are true and not just empty promises, which is actually rare in the VPN industry, so props to Surfshark. As far as security, Surfshark uses the standard encryption that's basically used by any other high-quality VPN, meaning there's nobody who can see your online activities as long as you're connected to the VPN. And this includes everyone from your internet service provider to some hacker on a public Wi-Fi, which also makes Surfshark perfect for torrenting if you need to stay anonymous while downloading files, or again, if you just want to protect sensitive data like your credentials or bank logins while browsing the web, or when you're connected to public Wi-Fi networks. Not to mention that you get necessary security features like the kill switch, which cuts your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, meaning this makes sure that you're only going to be connected to the internet while you're under the VPN's protection, avoiding any accidental transmission of what you're doing online to your service provider or any other outsiders. And you also get split tunneling, which is called bypasser in Surfshark, which lets you select which apps you'd like to use or not use with the VPN. Now, if you're looking to stream your favorite shows without any restrictions or from any location, after a lot of testing, I can certainly say that you can access content from all over the world and on most services, from Netflix and Disney to Hulu and HBO or any other region-specific streaming service that you'd like to access, since there are over 3,200 servers in 100 countries at your disposal. And for the fastest connections possible, you definitely want to stick to the WireGuard protocol, as it's typically the best performing protocol you can choose on Surfshark. And when it comes to gaming, you can also reach amazing ping as long as you connect to the VPN server that's closest to the game server that you'd like to connect to. And at times, I've found that connecting to the right server and using the WireGuard protocol resulted in ping that's even better than my base ping while connected to the local servers, which can be a real lifesaver if you're playing games with servers that are too far away. Compatibility-wise, Surfshark works on nearly every device you can think of, including Windows and Apple devices, as well as tablets, phones, and even streaming devices. And perhaps the coolest feature would be that Surfshark allows for an unlimited number of devices to be using the same account, so you can actually share your account with friends and family without having to worry about getting another subscription, which is another very rare feature in VPNs. So ultimately, would I recommend Surfshark? Absolutely. Even though it's mostly known as a budget VPN, at this point, it's easily become one of the VPN giants in the industry, and it's such a huge bang for the buck that I couldn't really find any other VPN with the same level of reliability, security, and performance without ending up having to pay much more than what Surfshark costs. So the bottom line, I would say, is I can safely recommend Surfshark to any friends and family that are looking for a VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without losing out on security, performance, or features for that matter. So if you end up getting Surfshark, feel free to use the link below to help you save some more money on the 2-year plan, which is definitely the plan you want to go for if you'd like to save money in the long term. Besides that, thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions, or if you're not sure about something. I'd love to answer each one of you guys, and a like and subscribe would really help out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.